Rosenbauer PANTHER. The Rosenbauer PANTHER is a high-performance airport firefighting vehicle built specifically for aircraft emergencies. It carries large quantities of water and firefighting agents, while powerful pumps and roof-mounted turrets can attack flames from a safe distance. Its high acceleration helps firefighters reach an aircraft quickly, making it one of the most advanced firefighting vehicles designed for modern airports. E1 Titan 4x4. The E1 Titan 4x4 is a specialized aircraft rescue and firefighting vehicle built for demanding airport emergencies. Its 4x4 drivetrain provides strong mobility across airport surfaces, while its large water and foam capacity supports sustained firefighting operations. With powerful pumps and firefighting monitors, the Titan is designed to quickly deliver large volumes of extinguishing agents when an aircraft fire requires an immediate response. Rosenbauer Buffalo Extreme. The Rosenbauer Buffalo Extreme is a heavy-duty firefighting vehicle designed for extremely demanding conditions. Its rugged chassis allows it to operate in difficult terrain while carrying large amounts of water and firefighting equipment. Powerful systems can deliver water and foam against major fires, making the Buffalo Extreme a machine built for situations where ordinary fire trucks may not be enough. Bronto Skylift F112HLA is a giant aerial platform designed for high-rise firefighting and rescue operations. Its boom can reach approximately 112 meters, allowing crews to work at heights that ordinary aerial ladders cannot approach. The elevated platform provides a stable working position and can support firefighting operations, effectively acting as a mobile tower for rescuers. Rosenbauer T-Rex. The Rosenbauer T-Rex is a specialized aerial firefighting platform equipped with a telescopic and articulating boom. Its design allows firefighters to reach over obstacles and access difficult areas of large buildings. A firefighting nozzle can attack flames from an elevated position, while the platform can also support rescue operations, combining high reach with powerful firefighting capability. Magirus M68L. The Magirus M68L is a giant turntable ladder designed for high-rise firefighting and rescue. Its ladder can reach approximately 68 meters into the air, while the rescue platform provides firefighters with a stable elevated working position. It can also support firefighting operations at extreme heights, essentially functioning as a mobile high-rise rescue tower. Pierce Enforcer Ascendant. The Pierce Enforcer Ascendant combines a heavy-duty fire apparatus with the Ascendant aerial system. Depending on configuration, the aerial system can reach around 100 feet or more and provide access for elevated rescue and firefighting operations. Some configurations also include pumps, water tanks, and ground-level equipment, giving crews both conventional firefighting capability and high-reach access. Rosenbauer FULF60/80. The Rosenbauer FLF60/80 is a high-capacity airport firefighting vehicle designed for rapid response to aircraft emergencies. It can carry large quantities of water and foam concentrate, while powerful pumps and roof-mounted monitors allow firefighters to attack intense fires from a distance. Built for airport crash rescue operations, the FLF combines high firefighting capacity with the speed and mobility needed during critical aircraft incidents. Mack Granite Heavy Rescue. The Mack Granite Heavy Rescue is designed for complex emergencies, where specialized equipment is more important than carrying large amounts of water. It can transport hydraulic rescue tools, generators, lighting systems, air equipment, and other gear needed at major incidents. Built on the rugged Mack Granite platform, it essentially works as a mobile emergency workshop for crashes, industrial accidents, and structural emergencies. Rosenbauer Commander. The Rosenbauer Commander is a customizable heavy-duty fire apparatus platform rather than one fixed configuration. It can be adapted for firefighting, rescue, aerial operations, and other specialized emergency roles. Its large chassis provides space for extensive equipment and systems, while its durable construction is designed for demanding operations. Its biggest advantage is the flexibility to be built around different firefighting missions. Panther 8x8. The Panther 8x8 is the 8-wheel drive version of Rosenbauer's airport firefighting concept. Its 8-driven wheels provide excellent traction across large airport surfaces, while the vehicle carries substantial quantities of firefighting agents and equipment. Roof-mounted turrets can deliver powerful streams of water and foam, allowing crews to attack major aircraft fires rapidly from a safe distance. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.